Adobe Premiere Pro Online 101, Online Adobe Premiere Pro Courses. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software traditionally installed on a computer, and it doesn't have a native online version like some other cloud-based applications. However, Adobe does offer a cloud-based service called Adobe Premiere Rush, which is designed for simplified video editing and is accessible through a web browser. Adobe Premiere Rush. Purpose: Adobe Premiere Rush is a cross-platform video editing application that allows users to create and edit videos online or on mobile devices. Features: it offers a simplified interface with basic video editing tools such as trimming, cropping, adding transitions, and applying filters. Cloud-based: since Premiere Rush is cloud-based, you can access your projects from any device with an internet connection and continue editing seamlessly. Integration: projects created in Premiere Rush can be easily imported into Adobe Premiere Pro for more advanced editing if needed. Subscription: Premiere Rush is included with Adobe Creative Cloud subscriptions or can be purchased separately. How to access Adobe Premiere Rush online. To access Adobe Premiere Rush online, follow these steps. 1. Subscription: ensure you have an active Adobe Creative Cloud subscription that includes Premiere Rush, or purchase a standalone subscription for Premiere Rush if necessary. 2. Sign in. Go to the Adobe Creative Cloud website, https://www.adobe.com/creativecloud.html, and sign in with your Adobe ID and password. 3. Access Premiere Rush. Once signed in, navigate to the Apps section and locate Adobe Premiere Rush. Click on it to launch the application. 4. Start editing. You can now start editing your videos using Premiere Rush directly in your web browser. You can create new projects, import media, and use the available editing tools to craft your video. 5. Save and sync. Premiere Rush automatically saves your projects to the cloud, allowing you to access them from any device where Premiere Rush is installed or via a web browser. Keep in mind that while Adobe Premiere Rush offers convenience and accessibility with its cloud-based approach, it may not have all the advanced features and capabilities of Adobe Premiere Pro, which is more suited for professional video editing workflows. However, for quick edits or projects on the go, Premiere Rush can be a useful tool.